Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of corn plants. If you're looking to add a touch of nature and elegance to your indoor space, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll take you through everything you need to know about growing and caring for corn plants. But before we jump into the care tips, let's get acquainted with corn plants. Also known as Dracaena fragrans, corn plants are popular for their attractive foliage and air-purifying qualities. These tropical beauties are native to Africa and are quite adaptable to indoor environments. Now let's look at the tips for growing vibrant corn plants in your indoor garden. Tip 1. Planting and potting. So, you've decided to grow a corn plant? Great choice. Here's how to get started. First, select a well-draining pot with good-sized drainage holes. Use a high-quality potting mix that's suitable for indoor plants. When repotting, choose a container that's about 1 to 2 inches larger in diameter than the current one. Tip 2. Light and placement. Corn plants thrive in medium to bright indirect light. Avoid direct sunlight, as it can scorch their leaves. Place your corn plant near a north or east-facing window, or provide filtered light through sheer curtains. If you notice your plant leaning towards the light, give it a quarter turn every week to encourage even growth. Tip 3. Watering routine. Proper watering is crucial for corn plant care. Allow the top inch or two of the soil to dry out before watering again. Stick your finger into the soil. If it feels dry, it's time to water. Be cautious not to overwater, as this can lead to root rot. During the growing season, spring and summer, water more frequently and reduce the frequency in the dormant season. Tip 4. Humidity and temperature. Corn plants prefer moderate to high humidity levels. If your home is dry, consider using a humidifier or placing a tray of water near the plant. Maintain a comfortable room temperature between 65 to 80 degrees. Avoid exposing your corn plant to drafts or sudden temperature changes. Tip 5. Fertilization. Keep your corn plant well fed during the growing season by fertilizing it every 4 to 6 weeks with a balanced liquid fertilizer. Dilute the fertilizer to half its recommended strength to prevent overfeeding. Tip 6. Pruning and maintenance. To encourage a bushy and attractive shape, prune your corn plant by cutting back leggy or yellowing stems. Wipe the leaves gently with a damp cloth to keep them clean and free from dust, which can inhibit their ability to photosynthesize. Tip 7. Troubleshooting common issues. Even the best plant parents encounter challenges. Yellowing leaves might indicate overwatering, while brown tips could signal underwatering or low humidity. Pest infestations are rare, but keep an eye out for spider mites or mealybugs. Treat any issues promptly with appropriate measures. And there you have it. A comprehensive guide to growing and caring for your corn plants. Remember, patience and consistency are key when it comes to nurturing these beautiful indoor companions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more plant care tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Happy gardening!